You want to dance with me?
No,
Why not?
because I don't want to.
No? She's with us. Hey, Alec, you want to ride the Ferris wheel?
I'd love to.
Itaipi avalea ila umitilea olonga ilo umafofau viefusia o eloa langona ole alofa uangaseya o elo uola o eta umusu musumai upunama sania mai maupe ana toi foi toile amatanga ile taili ole fatu apulato a umata
I'm Noel Calhoun.
So?
So it's really nice to meet
Alec,
you.
who is this guy?
I don't know. No Calhoun.
I would really like to take you out.
Friend, do you mind?
You can't sit more than 2 people in a chair, Noah!
Okay, Tommy, all right.
Get down, Noah! You're gonna kill yourself!
Noah, cut it out!
Well, will you go out with me?
What? No! No!
No.
Hey, Pat, she just told you.
Why not?
I don't know, because I don't want to.
All right, well, you leave me no other choice then.
Oh my God!
I'm okay, no! Stop fooling
What are you
around!
doing?
Oh, is that the
I'm gonna ask you one more time. Will you or will you not go out with me? My hand slipper.
You're trying to fire, you idiot!
Not until she agrees.
Oh, go out with him, honey!
Okay, fine. I'll go out with you.
Well, don't do me any favors.
No, I want to!
You want it?
Yes!
Say it.
I want to go out with you!
Say it again.
I want to go out with you!
All right.
You think you're so smart, don't you?
That wasn't funny, no, you idiot!
No, it's okay. I'll take care of this.